Hey guys, it's Brianna. I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing a slime video. So I just finished making the slime. I finally got all the food dye off my hand. Note to self, next time wear gloves when mixing in the food dye. Anyway, today I'm going to be making fluffy slime because I've been really wanting to make a slime video for a really long time. And then on one of my videos I got a request to do a slime video. So I'm just like, you know what? They want it, I want it, I'm going to do it. Don't forget to subscribe. And turn this into this, and make sure you hit that little tiny little bell right here so you get notified every time I make a video. If you want to see, if you have like a really cool video that you think I could be able to make, then just let me know in the comments down below what video you want me to make, and maybe I'll make it because I made the slime video that someone requested. So thank you for requesting this to me. I'll put your comment right here, right there. So thank you. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Yes. So the first thing that you're going to need is supplies. So I started by filling up a cup of water. Now I'm just putting a tablespoon of borax. In fact, it's not even a tablespoon, it's a teaspoon, and I'm just mixing that in with the water. Now in a separate container, put in some white glue, and I'm using Elmer's glue. Then you're going to want to add in some shaving cream with your glue. Now to make your slime a fun color, simply add in some food dye. I'm using green and blue to make a pretty teal color. Now I'm just mixing in the food dye until it's like fully mixed in. Your mixture should look something like this. Now I'm going to take my mixture from earlier and I'm going to mix it up because the borax will sink in the water. Just mix that up a little bit and then pour little by little into the slime. You'll see it will quickly become thicker and thicker. Keep adding the borax mixture until you got it to the perfect consistency. Once you decide that you don't want to mix it with the spoon anymore, start working it with your hands until it's no longer sticky. As you can see, the slime is starting to form. It should look something like this. Now there you go, slime! Now if you cut it in half, you'll see a bunch of air bubbles. This is because of the shaving cream, and the shaving cream makes it fluffy. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys subscribed. I hope you guys try this out yourself. And if you do, tag me. Post it on Instagram and then tag me. My Instagram is Brie1255. I think that's it. Bye!